The bigger it is, the bigger the problem. So I recently made a post about kartel 4.3 kilowatts inverter and how solid that inverter is, which then I said the only issue I have with that inverter is the connection area spacing because it is so small. I had a very good experience with that inverter, which made me go further to get the 10.3 kilowatts of Are you sure you sent me 10.3 kilowatt inverter? And you said yes. And I checked and I see that it is 10.3. Because this thing is so wide. The wideness, I don't know how to put it. If I were to add two pieces of 4.2 kilowatts together, I think that should be able to justify the wideness of this inverter. It's so wide that I'm like, what happened? But it's all for the good, and you'll find out very soon. So while checking the body, the first thing I noticed after the wideness and how big this thing is the vent. Almost all part of this inverter is for vent. And when I say all parts, I mean when I install this inverter, the quality of sound that is coming from the fan, you definitely know that this will prioritize ventilation. You definitely know that this will prioritize cooling of this inverter. The quality of the fan itself, you can tell that, like it's like comparing an iPhone with cheap Android when you're playing music. Now when you're playing music, you not really feel the quality of the music you're playing. Just some sound, I mean cheap Androids. But when you're playing with iPhone, you feel the quality, like the beat, bing. That's how the fan is. Unlike other inverters that their fan, you just say, whoa. This one is not like that. The fan, the way it sounds like something is different. You get to feel it in your body that no, this vent is working and you can never have any issue with cooling of this system. So there's nothing much at the side of this inverter except the spec sheets. The bottom of the inverter has everything that we're looking for, starting from the AC breaker. They are giving us an AC breaker, which I don't understand why they will give us an AC breaker and they will not give us, okay, let me not say it yet. We have the input and output terminal. We have the battery terminal also at the bottom. We have the communication ports, the BMS ports, and the Wi-Fi port. Then we have the PV terminals, which I don't understand why instead of the MC4, the regular MC4 we are used to, why are they using the block terminal? I don't know. Though I don't think it's a deal breaker. It's not really a deal breaker because the size of cables that we use to pull each string is not really a big size, it's just a small size. So, but I think using an MC4 is safer and it's more advanced. I don't know. If you think otherwise, give your thoughts in the comment section. We also have the switch by this button, and then lastly we have earthing. Don't forget to power. So all other features of this 10.3 kilowatts are just as the same thing as the 4.3 kilowatts. All the pages, the interface, the user setup, everything is the same thing. There is no difference, just the size and the capacity of the inverter, nothing much. And then the PV terminal, which this one is having two PV terminal, which is two charge controllers while that one is having just one. So everything is just the same thing. If you have not watched that video, you can check my page, you'll see that video there. Now, coming to what I said, the least thing that I don't even expect from Cartel, and that's what they used to ruin this beautiful design. I would have given them at least 8 over 10. But with this, I don't know. I don't even know what to rate them. This 10.3 kilowatt inverter has no Wi-Fi communication. When I was unboxing, I couldn't find the Wi-Fi dongle. Then I called my supplier and I'm like, who removed the Wi-Fi dongle inside this inverter? Don't tell me that they will sell an inverter that is this big and there is no Wi-Fi dongle. And it's like, oh, he saw it that he's going to check, he's going to call wherever it is. Then I'm like, okay, it's fine. If you cannot find it, let me know the type of Wi-Fi dongle you are using. Maybe I have one lying around that I can use. Or is it that you are selling it separately? Okay, if you are selling it separately, let me know the price. So you can send me the Wi-Fi dongle. You can't expect me to have a big inverter like this and not be able to communicate or have access to it online. And to my surprise, when I open this inverter, there is Wi-Fi port there just for me to open as in to check inside of this inverter and realize that there is nothing in that Wi-Fi port area, which means as in there is no panel, nothing there, no wire, nothing, which means this inverter is not built to have any form of remote access. A 10.3 kilowatt inverter in 2025 or 2026. I said 2025 because I was sure it was produced in 2025. Has no communication. There is no access to be able to communicate it online. Inverters communicating and users being able to watch it online is no longer a special feature, even for smaller inverters that are not up to 10.3. So why in the world will a 10.3 kilowatt inverter not have something that we can use to access it remotely? It's really very, very unacceptable. And if Cartel is seeing this video, I think we should stop that design. Let that design be the last of 10.3 kilowatts that you are going to bring. The inverter is good. The inverter is good. Every other thing works perfectly. It's good, very good. But the fact that I cannot access that inverter remotely is a big no-no for me. So they should let this be the last batch of 10.3 kilowatt that I'm going to bring that has no remote access. Whichever one you are going to bring after this is not even a GP. It is not something that we need to dwell in on. It must have it. At least even from the 6.2 or the 6.3, they should have it. So what's my final conclusion? If you are somebody that doesn't really care about having remote access to your system, your big system, well, Cartel is a very, very good choice. But if you are somebody that values, that you want to see what you are generating, what you are using, everything, you want to have access to it remotely, Cartel is not a good option. Based on the rating, I don't know what I want to rate them. I just know they need to do better. That's all. Hi everyone, my name is Bashir from Interden, and I'm the chief surgeon. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell. Catch you guys in the next one.